Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I am going to be showing you how to use 5 cool command prompt in your computer. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Go to search box and type in command prompt. Click to open it. Let me show you how to change the colors on your command prompt window. Write down help color. Press enter. This will give us a list of numbers and alphabets that we can use to change the colors used in the command window. Now press enter again, type in color, press space. Now enter 0 to choose black background color and enter 4 to choose red foreground color. Encryption is one of the most common ways to ensure that no one other than you can take a peek of your data. Simply launch the command prompt and change your working directory to the folder where your files are. Write down cd space folder location. Type in cd space folder name. Press enter. Write down cipher /e2 encrypt. Press enter. The command prompt will encrypt the files inside the folder. No one from other account will be able to access your encrypted file without decrypting them with your password first. Let me show you how to decrypt. /d2 decrypt. Press enter. Next week, I'll show you how you can hide folder in such a way that they are completely hidden. In command prompt, navigate to the directory that contains the folder to be hidden. Desktop in my case. Press enter. Type the following command followed by the folder name and hit enter. Your folder now be completely hidden. To unhide them, write down @rev. Press enter. You can create a Wi-Fi hotspot on your wireless PC so you can share your internet with other devices. In the command prompt, type the following text, press enter. It will set Wi-Fi hotspot in your computer. To turn the Wi-Fi hotspot on, write down netsh To turn it off, write down Let me show you how to install a program from your computer. Type the following text and hit enter. It will show list of programs that are installed on your computer. Now I want to install Blender. Scroll down and type in the following text. Hit enter. It will take a while and it will completely be installed from your computer. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you guys like my videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe me.